Welcome back everybody to your second Java tutorial. This video is where we're actually going to write our first Java program and just break down the structure. So the first thing I want to do is I want to run the project so we can actually say, hey, we created our first application. And then what I want to do is I want to break down some of this garbage in here. So get rid of this line and replace it with system.out.println. And then put these parentheses, and inside of these parentheses just say, hello there. Okay, so you have to copy this exactly, including the capitalization. So system starts with a capital letter, and then a lowercase o, and a lowercase p, and a lowercase l. So everything else is lowercase. And we're going to talk about all the capitalization and junk in this series, so don't worry about it. Once you got that written, you can save it by holding Command S, or if you're on Windows, Control S, and then going up here and clicking this play button. And you can see it prints hello world inside of our console window. The console window is where we're going to be interacting with our program a lot. This is where we're going to give input, this is where we're going to see our output, and this is basically our application. As you get better at Java, you can then move on to user interfaces, or you can move on to web applications, which would serve like JavaScript and HTML and CSS. And even you can do mobile applications, you can do Android applications, and there are even some things out there to help you make iPhone apps with Java. So the sky is the limit, but for the basics, it's always best just to start in the console. That is all I'm going to talk about in this video. In the next video, we're going to talk about every single piece of this code here, so you have a good understanding of that foundation. I feel like a lot of people just jump in, start writing stuff, and you really don't understand what any of this means. So hopefully by the end of that video, you're going to understand what every single one of these keywords means. It might take some time to really, understand it deeply, but at least getting that basic understanding. That's all I got for you guys. Please be sure to check out the description for a link to the crash course, as well as the blog and the sponsor Pramp, who is super awesome. So check all those out, guys. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.